Hey there friends, in this video I'm going to be showing you how to add knowledge to your Claude projects. So to get started, let's go to our projects tab, which you can find on the left side of your screen. And underneath here, you're going to be able to see all your active projects. If you haven't made one already, go ahead and click on new project, give your project a title and an optional description. So I'm going to go ahead and go to one of the projects that I've already created. And this is what it's going to look like. You're going to be able to see your project memory, your instructions, and your files or your knowledge base. So to add any file to your knowledge base, simply go ahead and click on the plus icon and click on upload from device or any of the other options, whichever is more appropriate. So let's say I'm going to upload this one, then it's going to start. Any chat in the future is now going to start using this file as part of its knowledge. So whenever I ask it to generate a response, it's going to reference the information on the inside of this document. So as you can see, this one is about assay and screening methods for bioactive substances. So that's just a random scientific journal that I picked up on the internet. So this is really useful because if you combine this with your instructions, you can pretty much consistently achieve the same types of responses or the same style of responses between each individual chat. So if we go ahead and go look into this chat right here, I say quickly summarize information about something, and this is just another thing that I've uploaded to the knowledge base. You can see it says right here, it has added something to its memory, which is just the set of instructions that I gave it. So now if I ask it to do the same task, but this time referencing this document, it's going to give me a result that is in a similar format, in a similar style. So that's going to be it for this video. I hope I was able to teach you something new and something useful. And as always, thank you for watching.